Hi guys, so here we are again unboxing, and I see this online, this hair dryer. It's 220 volts with 50 hertz as shown on label. They have 4 colors and I bought the color white. So let's try and unbox this thing, how it works. So the first one is the handy blower. For wavy hairstyle, for straight hairstyle, or curly hairstyle. Oh, they also have manual in 2 forms, Chinese and English. So this is the blower with 360-degree rotation line. Yan. And the 2-head conversion for the curl. If you want to curl your hair, you can use this brush. It's a circular brush. Yeah, it's a circular brush. And the other one is for if you like only a wavy hair, you can use this brush. It's a half curve brush. Or the typical straight hair, you can use this comb. It's a straight comb for straight hair. As you see, it's different from the two design of the 2 heads. The cord indicates it's 220 volts, 220 volts. The switch from bottom to top, the first gear is cold wind, the second gear is low temperature, and the third gear is high temperature. To attach the head, you see the arrow sign. You connect it with the unlock side or the indicator of unlock side, as you can see in this. And then we twist it to the left as you hear the click on that. And to unlock, you twist it to the right. And it's now unlocked. So let's try to use it, guys. We'll see how it works. So here, as you can see, my hair is wavy. So I'm gonna put first a spray of water on my hair before we use the blower. We comb for a while before we use the blower. I use it in a high level. Hope you enjoy watching, guys. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.